In today's video, I'll teach you how to get anonymous question on Instagram. So if you want to get the anonymous question, for that actually what you have to do is use the third-party application, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search for NGL. Now you'll be able to find the results over here. Find this application NGL Ask Me Anything and tap on it. Now after you do that, in this interface you'll be able to find the option for install. Tap on it, wait for a while, and this application will be installed. After the application is installed, what you have to do is simply open the NGL application. Make sure to create the account for yourself. Creating the account in NGL is very simple. Now you can see over here in this interface you'll be able to find the link generated by NGL. What you have to do is simply tap on this option, copy link, that you can see on the screen. Now the link has been copied. Now once you do that, open the Instagram application. You can see over here Instagram application has been opened. Now what you have to do is upload a story with that link. For that, tap on this option, your story, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can simply tap on the photo of your choice. Now you can see over here that photo has been uploaded. Now what you have to do is upload the link. For that, tap on this sticker icon that you can see at top. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options like location, mention, music, photo, etc. Right over here, what you have to do is find the option for link and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to enter the URL over here. Simply paste the URL that we copied earlier. Now once you do that, tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the link has been uploaded. You can tap on it for more options. Now after you do that, tap on this option, your story, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and your story will be uploaded. Now whenever someone taps on the link, they'll be able to send you the anonymous question. So like this, you'll be able to get the anonymous question on Instagram. So that is how you get anonymous question on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.